Hi guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and today we're going to be talking about how to request books through our online system. Okay, here we go. So we are at StudentNet, and as you scroll down, you can still go through the traditional Find a Book, and these are all of your research tools and your ebooks throughout here. But we can also go through our Schoology pages. Okay, so if we click on Schoology, and on your dashboard, there's going to be a big pink book that says Kaiser Library. You click on Kaiser Library, and it's going to come up with a Bitmoji map. Okay? And if you scroll down further, it's going to give you the big Kaiser Library website and the calendar. But if you go down even further, you're going to hit all these folders. So if you're in kindergarten, you can click on kindergarten, and you can do some technology activities that are super fun. You're going to learn how to log in, how to use math skills. You can do some social emotional activities. And then you also have library lessons that you guys can do. These are activities that you guys can do at home or in class. Okay, so for the September the 14th, we had International Dot Day. So we got to listen to the story, and then we got to be a creative thinker ourselves. So you just click on this button, Creative Thinker, click on the PowerPoint, and there you go. You guys can play the video and then do all the activities that go along with it. For instance, filling the ice cream cone with all the different colors. You can design your own cone, just like Baskin-Robbins 31 flavors. Alright, so if I go back to Schoology right here, I can go to kindergarten, and that's how I get back the thing. Now, if I want to go to the full Kaiser Library, I just click right here and go to Kaiser Library. I scroll down, and these are all the things that you can do. If you want to listen to a story that I've read, you can click on Story Time. If you want to know the national day of, so like today's National Cheeseburger Day, so have some fun with cheeseburgers tonight, you can listen here on National Day of. And if you're interested in chapter books, I've read the first chapter of some chapter books you might be interested in. We also have some great book buzz, book talks you can listen to. And you can always email me by just clicking on my face. Now, if I want to search for books for kids, and I'm in grades K, kindergarten to second grade, I'm going to click on Search for a Book, Kids. I click on this, and it brings me to the card catalog. Okay. Oh, by the way, this dog right here, his name is Scout, and I can explore some categories that I might like. So I have a tendency to really like ladybugs, so I'm going to click on ladybugs. And you see how I can pick up all these ladybug books? I can scroll right through using these arrows, okay, if there are more ladybug books. Now, the nonfiction is the address where it's located in the library, but if you're online, then all you have to do is request it, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So our nonfiction are our real books. They're true stories with true people and events. So I would like to click on Metamorphosis. Click on Metamorphosis, and it tells me the reading level, and I can exchange that for my actual alphabet reading level by going back and looking at the Kaiser webpage. And I can just go to Online Library, and there's my chart. The library goes in Lexile levels, but I can just exchange that for my actual letter level that we use here at Kaiser Elementary. Okay, now I'm going back to our website. Oh, it kicked me out a little bit. That's okay. Oh, wrong one. Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry about that. And I want this copy. So I click, I want this copy. And Scout's going to ask me, do you want the library to save this for you? And you hit yes. And then it's going to say, you did it. And it's going to put your name instead of mine. Okay? So that means that the book is now on hold. And me, the librarian, am going to pull that book off the shelf for you. I'm going to check it out, write your name on it, and then I'm going to, on Thursdays, from 12 to 3 p.m., going to stand outside, and your mom, your dad, your grandma, grandpa, you can come pick up your books, all right, from the curbside pickup. Now, we do request that all books, if you want to put books on hold and get new books, please turn all your books in by Mondays, okay? All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when you return your books, you're going to put them in the pink tagged cardboard boxes. 2 are located here at the library, and 1 is located in the front office. All right. Thank you so much. And we're going to go ahead and close that out. All right. You guys have a great day. Bye.